welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Helen Bienzika and I'm from Uganda, the part of Africa. So today, like I said before, on this channel, we talk about everything. Yes, everything. Though I concentrate more on our brothers and sisters who work abroad. Yeah, but today I'm on the other side of the kitchen and I'm trying to make some vegetable chicken. Yeah, so here I have this is broccoli, this is ladyfinger or okra. Yeah, before I never liked okra, but now I love it like nothing because for some reason. And here I have my ingredients. This is ground mustard. Yeah, I love it. And this is turmeric powder. Yeah, and here I have biryani spices seasoning. This is our curry powder, I guess you can see it. Yeah, this is my salt. Yeah, here I have green peppers and is it called yellow pepper or is it yellow bell? I don't know. And some tomatoes. Yeah, the reason why I cut my tomatoes small is because I hate this skin. I hate it. So if you don't want your skin to be, there is a way when they tend to roll, like they roll like something long. So if you don't want them to make that, you cut them very small, or you peel off the skin. Yes, and the garlic and the onions. Okay, so the chicken is here. Yeah, so here is my chicken. Yeah, it is just chicken breast. Yeah, there are 2 pieces of chicken breast. I'm trying to first brown them. Is it called browning? I want them to become kind of brown. Yeah. I put just a little, just a very little oil, but these chickens, they also have their fat. Yeah, I put some little oil because I didn't want it to stick on the pan, but it produced its oil, which is okay because I have so many vegetables to add in, as you see. Yes, so I'm going to put a cover for some minutes. So after a few minutes, I come back to check on our chicken and see. Yeah, it's kind of becoming brown, as you can see. And we cover. Yeah, we will be back after a few minutes. Back again to check to see. So here I'm going to add my ingredients, starting with the onions and garlic. Yeah, I want to put the garlic with the onions together because I want the garlic to become brown. Yes, and I want this chicken to absorb the garlic very well. Yeah. I put the garlic and onions, as you can see. So I cover to simmer. Then I'll come back after a few minutes. So guys, we are back to check on our onions. Yes, I guess you can see. I love this. I love this. Now that our onions are brown, I'm going to add some tomatoes. I have my tomatoes here, so I'm going to add them. Yeah, I've added the tomatoes. I forgot to show you another ingredient, which is Maggi. Yeah, I think yeah, here we have Maggi, and in my country we have Royco cubes, both for chicken and for meat, for beef. But here I'm going to use Maggi. After adding these tomatoes, I'm going to add a little salt so that our chicken gets some salt in it before it is too late. I'm adding very little salt because I'm not going to put soup in this chicken. No, it's a vegetable chicken, so I don't need soup. Yes, and also in the Maggi there is salt, so I don't want it to be too much, but just enough to make our chicken tasty. So let me cover to simmer, then I will come back in a few. Now coming back, I want to put the curry powder, the mustard, turmeric, and the seasoning. So I put very little. I don't want it to be too much. Yes, I put everything. I put little. This is our mustard. Yeah, just a little. And I put our seasoning. Also a little. Then I bring my turmeric powder, also a little. Yeah, and stir. I want the vegetables to be put the last because I don't want them to overcook, to lose the benefits that I would love to get from them. Yeah. So I'm leaving it for a few minutes to simmer. Don't forget to cover. We'll be back in a few. You didn't tell me that we had forgotten to put the Maggi. I just put half of the Maggi, yeah, because it is salty, and the sauce I'm cooking is very little, just for like 2 servings. Yes, 2 servings, like 2 plates, 2 people. Yes, like I said, these are 2 chicken breasts. So now we are putting the broccoli and the ladyfinger or the okra. Do you know the uses of okra? Before I never liked it, but now it's my friend. I love it so much. If you know the use of okra, put it in the comment section below. Teach us. Maybe I know something else and you also know something else. You know, we learn from each other. So please teach us. You see what I told you? Before, the oil looked like it was more, of which most was coming from the kitchen, from the chicken itself, but now you don't see any, right? Yeah. Then I want to bring my green pepper and yellow pepper. I add them all. Okay. And I want to leave them to simmer for a few. Then I will add just a very little water, just very little, because I told you I don't want it to be watery, not really, but I don't want to have soup in this. Yeah. Okay. I just cover for a few and I bring some water. We are back. You see our veggies. Do you see our veggies? I love the smell. I love the smell. Oh my god. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, I just add a little water. Yeah. You see? Is it very little? Yeah, I want to boil all this water out. Okay? I want to boil it all out. It looks small, little rather. Okay. Because I want the chicken to get ready. And you know these are breasts. If they were legs, they get ready quickly, but for the breasts, they take a little more time to get ready. Yeah. So, but do you see how it looks like? Yeah. Okay, let's cover. I put them on 4. You can see on number 4. Hope you can see it. Yeah, from the start I've been using number 4. Why? Because I don't want my stuff to get burnt. You know, when you put too much heat, it burns down, and by the time your stuff is ready, it has some brownish things which we don't want. Okay, get back to you later. Okay. We still have soup. Why? Okay. Okay. I thought we have soup, yet I didn't want any soup, so I'm putting a little more because I had put it on 3 since I was not around. I had gone to do some other things, so I'm raising the heat a little more so I get rid of this soup. But you see guys, I love the smell. I feel like grabbing one. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we leave it for like 3 minutes. Yeah, it will be done. So guys, I'm back. Yeah. Yes. And we close. Yeah. You see? You see what I wanted? So, and we are done. We are done. So I'm going to serve this with fries. You know? That's why I never wanted any soup in it. Okay. See you when I'm serving. So guys, our chicken vegetable is ready. I served it with fries as I told you. So it's time to test. Let me test and I'll tell you. This is how it has looked like. Oh my god. And this is carrot. I didn't put it in the chicken because I wanted it to be raw. It is raw. Yes, raw carrot. I don't want to talk when I'm eating. Yeah, that is our tradition. We grew up when our parents were telling us it's not good to eat while talking. Actually, it's one of the bad eating habits. It's bad manners. Yeah, it's not good is it table manners? Yeah. So thanks very much for watching. I love you so much. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. But please like this video and share to your friends. I love you so much. May God bless you. Let me enjoy. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Bye-bye.